All about Corsican mint, a gardener's guide by Ferb Vu. Mentha Requienii isn't your average garden mint. This petite perennial packs a punch in both fragrance and function. For those seeking a low-growing, aromatic ground cover with a touch of culinary flair, Corsican mint might be the perfect fit. What is Mentha Requienii? Mentha Requienii, Corsican mint, hailing from the Mediterranean islands of Corsica, Sardinia, and Monte Cristo, is a miniature member of the mint family. Unlike its boisterous cousins like spearmint and peppermint, Corsican mint stays low to the ground, forming a dense green carpet. Its tiny, round leaves boast a powerful peppermint aroma, making it a delightful addition to any sensory garden. See more 39 species in genus Mentha, mint plant at monsteraholic.com. Is Corsican mint easy to grow? Absolutely. Corsican mint is a resilient little plant, thriving in well-drained soil with moderate moisture. It tolerates full sun to partial shade, making it adaptable to various garden situations. Here's a quick rundown on its care. Light, full sun to partial shade. Soil, well-drained soil. Water, moderate watering, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Hardiness, Zone 7 to 10, USDA hardiness zones. How do I plant Corsican mint? Planting Corsican mint is a breeze. Here's what you'll need. Well-drained soil. Shovel or trowel. Corsican mint plant, available at nurseries or online. Choose a location with appropriate sunlight and well-drained soil. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of your mint plant. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen the roots slightly. Place the plant in the hole and fill the surrounding space with soil, tamping down gently. Water thoroughly to settle the soil. How big does Corsican mint get? Don't let its small stature fool you. Corsican mint is a determined grower, spreading horizontally by underground runners. While it only reaches a height of 3 to 10 centimeters, it can sprawl up to 12 inches wide or more, forming a dense green mat. Can I use Corsican mint in cooking? Certainly. The leaves of Corsican mint boast a strong peppermint flavor, perfect for adding a refreshing touch to culinary creations. Here are some ideas. Desserts: infuse simple syrup for cocktails or mocktails, add a fragrant twist to chocolate chip cookies, or create a delightful mint ice cream. Beverages: steep the leaves in hot water for a soothing mint tea. Savory dishes: add a touch of minty freshness to salads, dips, or marinades. Tip: since Corsican mint has a potent flavor, use it sparingly compared to other mint varieties. Does Corsican mint have any other uses? Beyond its culinary value, Corsican mint offers several benefits. Ground cover: this low-growing plant helps suppress weeds and adds a touch of greenery to pathways, rock gardens, or between stepping stones. Potpourri: dried leaves add a lovely minty fragrance to potpourri blends. Pest repellent: the strong scent of Corsican mint may deter some pests like mice and mosquitoes. How do I care for Corsican mint in winter? Corsican mint is considered evergreen in mild climates, zones 7 to 10. However, in colder regions, it might lose some foliage during winter. Here are some winterizing tips. Mulch: apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to protect the roots from freezing temperatures. Watering: reduce watering during winter, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. How do I control Corsican mint? Due to its vigorous spreading habit, Corsican mint can become invasive if left unchecked. Here are some tips to maintain control. Planting in containers: plant Corsican mint in containers to prevent it from taking over your garden beds. Regular trimming: regularly trim the edges of the plant to keep it within desired boundaries. Physical barriers: consider using edging material like landscape fabric to prevent it from spreading into unwanted areas. With its delightful fragrance, charming low-growing habit, and culinary versatility, Corsican mint is a valuable addition to any garden. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of this unique mint for years to come.